So once you've understood the VLANs, you've set up your memberships, you've set up your ports to use VLANs, what you also have to do, or you don't have to do, but is advised to do, is some ACL rules. What that means is, especially if you're using private VLANs, you can start managing the devices on the network so that they can talk to other VLANs and maybe not talk to other VLANs as well. So an ACL rule is basically an access control list. So here I've got an access control, and what I've done is I've said this device is as a network. So I've selected the IP and I've given it its mask, and it's a 192.168.99.0. So anything from that source going to the destination 192.168.30.100, so let's say that that device would be a printer, is allowed. So I've clicked permit. Now, for everything else, I could create another rule, and then that rule would be deny. So for anything else not going to that printer, I could deny anything going to a different VLAN. So that's what I can do. I can start allowing different VLANs to talk to each other so that maybe I can have a shared printer or shared resources between the switch. That switch might have multiple VLANs. It might be doing multiple different groups of people, maybe guests, but they can still access some shared resources as well. It also means that you can have, as an admin, you could have rights for your IP address and tie things into your MAC address using some other parts of the switch, so you can lock things down to just your device that's allowed to go for different VLANs at the same time, so you can be aware of all different devices as a management platform for yourself, but everybody else has their communication blocked if they're trying to go to other different services.
Ooh,